Hey, Audi owners, it's Brian, your honest mechanic. Are you experiencing jerking, stuttering, or delayed gear changes in your Audi? These issues can be frustrating and may indicate a problem with your transmission. But before you head to the mechanic and spend a fortune on repairs, let me share a simple solution that might just do the trick. Resetting your Audi's transmission. You see, over time, your Audi's Transmission Control Module, TCM, can get bogged down with data, leading to poor performance. Resetting the TCM can help clear out any stored error codes and adapt to your driving style, resulting in smoother, more responsive gear changes. So, if you're ready to give your Audi's transmission a fresh start, grab a pen and paper because I've got a step-by-step guide that'll walk you through the process. First things first, let's make sure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I want you to firmly press the gas pedal all the way to the floor. Yes, you heard me right. This is to signal your vehicle's electronic control unit, or ECU, to prepare for a reset. While keeping that gas pedal fully depressed, turn on the ignition, but wait, don't start the engine just yet. You only want to turn on the electrical system, which is often referred to as the accessory mode. Now here's the crucial part. Keep that gas pedal fully depressed for about 15 to 40 seconds. This timing is key, as it tells the ECU to initiate the reset process of the transmission settings. After 15 to 40 seconds, turn off the ignition while keeping your foot on the gas pedal. This step signals the completion of the reset signal to the ECU. Now you can finally release the gas pedal. But don't rush off just yet. It's best to wait a few minutes with the ignition off to let the ECU process the reset. Trust me, this downtime is crucial for the reset to take effect. After waiting for a few minutes, go ahead and start your engine. Let it run normally for a bit before taking it out for a spin. Now it's time for the moment of truth. The test drive. Take your Audi out on the road and pay close attention to how it shifts between gears. If all goes well, you should notice a significant improvement in your transmission's performance. Method 2. If you're more of a tech-savvy Audi owner, you might want to try resetting your transmission using an OBD scanner. Simply plug the scanner into your vehicle's diagnostic port, navigate to the Transmission Control Unit menu, and select the reset option. Follow the prompts and voila, your transmission should be as good as new. And if the two TCM reset methods don't work, you can always try the good old battery disconnect method. Locate your vehicle's battery, disconnect the negative terminal, and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This will clear the ECU's memory, including transmission settings. Reconnect the battery, start your vehicle, and take it for a test drive. So, there you have it, folks. 3 simple methods to reset your Audi's transmission and get you back on the road with smoother, more responsive gear changes. Give them a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Honest Mechanic channel for more straightforward, no-nonsense car advice. Until next time, thanks for watching.